Hello viewers, Flipkart's Black Friday sale will start tomorrow at midnight. So if you want to buy tablets during this period, this is the best time for you. In this video, I will talk about 5 tablets that you can buy during these sales. If you want to buy an iPad under 60,000 rupees, in that case you may consider iPad Air M2 with 128GB of internal storage. The current price of this tablet is about 58,000 rupees, but during Black Friday sale you will get this tablet at around 52 to 53,000 rupees. If you want to buy a tablet under 50,000 rupees, in that case you may consider iPad Air M1. During offers you can buy this tablet at around 41 to 42,000 rupees, but you will get only 64GB of internal storage. So I would suggest you to go for the 128GB of internal storage. If you have a budget of 40,000 rupees and you want to buy a high-end Android tablet, in that case you may consider Oneplus Pad 2. It comes with 8 Gen 3 processor and it has a very good processing power. The next tablet that you can buy is iPad Air 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus if you have a tight budget of 23 to 27,000 rupees. In this price bracket you can buy these two tablets. If I had to choose between iPad 10th generation and Tab S9 FE Plus, I would have chosen iPad 10th generation because of its processor and also the portability and top-notch performance from this tablet. Now if your budget is under 20,000 rupees and you want a very good tablet, there are 3 choices you can make. The first tablet that you can buy is Mi Pad 6. It may be available at around 17,999, but if you want a latest tablet you can buy Poco Pad, or if you want a Redmi tablet, in that case you can buy Redmi Pad Pro. However, Flipkart has not yet revealed the final pricing of each tablet, so if you want to buy any tablet you have to be ready at midnight, otherwise the price of those tablets will increase when you will go to purchase those tablets in the morning or later. In order to get the best discounts, you must have credit cards. The list of credit cards are Axis Bank credit card, Bank of Baroda card, and also IDFC First Bank. Or if you have Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, in that case also you will get 5% unlimited discounts. So let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy during this Flipkart Black Friday sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know about the best deals and offers, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.